Italian Race, an amazing event at Ospay-Cusago. Boots S-Works wins. Ongaro associated second. Polito S-Works third. Elliott Boots wins with hot race tires. This is the Intec New Engines brand from Italy team at the Italian race event. Hillerød event in Denmark. Kalmse wins brushless with X-Ray. Berg wins nitro with Mayako, second Ronefalk, third Berton. The Hampusberg machine. Cullen success with hot race tires at Swiss Nuts. Ronefalk wins with Mayako Corsatec in Sweden. BRCA UK two-wheel drive event associated on top, Schumacher second, associated third. Osomatics touring machine wins in Spain. A photo by Reinhard. Munster German Nuts event 110 scale touring. Volker Mugen wins, Krap Yokomo second, Reinhard Osomatics third. De Zwarte Mugen ready for the Austrian Nuts.